Ally Invest Managed Portfolios Robo-advisor for investing. Full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Ally Invest are in the description below. Ally Invest's managed portfolios offer a hands-off investment experience, ideal for those who want to grow their wealth without dedicating too much time or effort to managing their portfolio. This robo-advisor is designed for individuals looking for low-cost, diversified investment solutions with a focus on long-term growth. It's especially suitable for beginner investors or those looking to simplify their investment strategy without sacrificing quality. At features, Ally Invest managed portfolios create automated, diversified portfolios that are tailored to your financial goals and risk tolerance. The platform offers customized ETF portfolios spread across various asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and real estate investment trusts, REITs. The key selling point here is the low management fee, with a competitive 0.30% annual fee for portfolios under $100,000. Ally Invest also offers tax optimization strategies like tax loss harvesting to help minimize tax liabilities. Portfolio management is fully automated, with rebalancing occurring automatically to ensure your investments remain aligned with your goals. Additionally, users can get access to financial tools and educational resources to guide their investing journey. Strengths. One of Ally Invest's biggest strengths is its cost-effectiveness, particularly with a low fee structure compared to other robo-advisors. The platform also shines with its wide range of portfolio options, catering to different risk appetites, from conservative to aggressive investors. The integration with Ally's broader financial products is another major plus, especially for current customers who can manage everything from checking accounts to investments in one platform. Another strength is the user-friendly interface, which makes it easy to monitor and manage investments without a steep learning curve. Weaknesses. While Ally Invest managed portfolios offer a great balance of features, it doesn't provide as much personalized advice as some higher-end robo-advisors that offer access to human advisors. Also, limited portfolio customization may be a downside for investors who want to choose their specific investments beyond the default portfolio offerings. Final verdict. Ally Invest managed portfolios are a strong option for cost-conscious investors looking for a reliable, automated solution to grow their wealth. With a low fee, tax optimization features, and strong integration with other Ally products, it's a great choice for investors wanting an easy and affordable way to invest. However, if you're after more customization or personalized financial advice, you might need to look elsewhere. Overall, Ally Invest offers great value for beginner and intermediate investors. Check out the links in the description for more information.